Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer data from iPhone to PC with Localsend. So first thing is go to localsend.org into your PC and just simply select download over here. And now you will have here multiple platforms. So just simply go for the Windows and just simply select exe over here. So guys, I have a full guide on how to download this on our channel, so check that out. And now just simply go ahead and open up the Localsend into your PC and make sure it is on receive tab over here. Now let's move on to our iPhone. Now guys, on our iPhone, first go to the App Store and tap on the search icon on the top right corner and the search bar at the top. And of course, just simply search for Localsend and make sure to download the Localsend app into your phone. Now just simply open it up. And now from here, if it asks you for permission, make sure to allow everything and go for the send tab over here down below. And as you can see, we should be able to see our windows over here. Now just simply go for the data that you want to transfer. Let's say I'm going to go for file. And from here, just simply select a file that you prefer. So for example, I'm going to go for this file over here and select open. You should be able to see the list of file over here, the size and the number. And if you want to add more, tap on add. And you should be able to add more over here with different selection. Now, once you have added your preferred data, what you could try to do now is just simply select the desktop that we have over here, which is nearby devices. And now after that, just simply go to your PC. Now from here, it will look something like this. So you could just simply select accept guys, and you should be able to have the data that you transferred from your iPhone to your PC. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.